This is literally your first day of your last year in middle school. And then you go to high school. You ready? Make sure you have fun and be a kid.
Oh, Mom.
Don't try to grow up and act all big. Be cautious, be careful, always know your surroundings in case of an emergency. Cafeteria, classrooms, or in the hall, anywhere, just make sure you know where the exit is.
How many times do you tell me this?
Tell him, Papa. This is literally gonna be your last drive to middle school. Aww. You are sad, huh?
It's tired.
No, you're sad.
I'm tired.
No, I think it's hitting you that this is your last time going to middle school. Are you gonna miss it?
No.
You will one day. You're gonna remember, like, man, middle school was
No.
just a vibe.
No, it was not a vibe.
When you're like in college or an adult, you know, like, man, middle school was fun. I miss it. I miss being a little goofball. You're just sad. Have fun. Enjoy your last day. Love you.